Welcome to Click Explore. Let's quickly talk about our services. Number 1, 720 Tour. We will share a link. After opening in any browser, you can walk your interior of the house by clicking on the given circle. Or you can also click on upper lift points. Number 2, realistic rendering photos. Also changing the time, lights, location of the house. Shortly, everything that you want will be provided to our clients. Number 3, AutoCAD services. House planning services. We will also provide you AutoCAD house planning, section plan, elevation plan with a detailed summary. Let's watch a demo video of the interior of the house with the walk. We share also leave a link for you to experience the House 720 tour for your satisfaction. Let's watch.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out